morning guys! Today magluluto tayo ng pinatuyong adobo. Ito ay isang pork in an adobo cut. So nilagyan ko na ito ng salt, pepper at saka vinegar. So ang ginawa ko guys, atin itong i-flip over lang. Pag ma-brown na yung karne, lagyan natin ng isi-simmer natin guys para maglagay tayo ng Coca-Cola, isi-simmer natin pag maano na siya, mag-brown na siya ng konti. So, ito na yung ating na-brown na pork, guys. So, after dito, na-flip over na natin ito, guys. So, pag may lumalabas na konting mantika, so guys, ito na yung na-brown ko na pork. Ilagay natin in another cooking pot para i-simmer natin for a while guys para mag-tender siya. Okay? Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa ha. Ilagay natin dito guys. Ito na lahat guys. Maglagay tayo nito ng Coke Zero. Coke Zero natin guys. Yun, Coca-Cola. So, isimmer natin guys hanggang mawala na ang kanyang sabaw. Okay? Na-isimmer na natin ang ating pork. I turn low down. Hintay tayo guys ng magiging tender ang ating pork para ang proseso na ito guys, i-transfer natin sa ating frying pan again, okay? So now we are going to transfer our pork over here. This is pinatuyong pork. So watch me now. So that's I added, guys. I added the garlic, the red onion, so I have added now, guys, the sauce. Takasan natin ang apoy. Pinatuyong adobo. Sprinkle. Papakainin ka. Huh? Yeah, this is different. This is dried pork adobo. This is dry pork adobo, not so much sauce. Don't speak, I know what you're thinking. So, ito yung pinatuyong adobo natin, guys. This is very yummy. Look at it. Look at it. You got to look. So, that is our final products, guys. Thank you for watching to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching and have a good time. Guys, this is our finished product. This is Pinatuyong Pork Adobo na may pineapple, okay? With rice.